Yo, today I'm going to show you how to find all deleted applications that you have ever used on your iPhone. Let's get started. Now, from the nearest route to you, just open the App Store. So I'm going to tap on the app library, and of course, I have the first option as the App Store. So I tap on that and make sure you're connected to the internet, because the App Store, of course, uses the internet. Okay. So now, when you come over to your profile, just tap on this your profile picture right there, and of course, you're going to see some options right here, but we are more interested in the first one. So I'm going to tap on that, and right here you can see all the applications that I've ever used since I created my Apple ID. So it doesn't really matter whether it's on this device or not. It's going to be displaying all the apps that you have ever used since you created your Apple ID, whether on this device or on other devices in the past. So as you can see, we have all the apps, and the ones that has the open or the updates, of course, are the ones that you currently have on this device that you're using. Okay, you can see this one that has the updates, the open, the updates, but these ones that has the download icon are the ones that you don't have anymore on this device. For you to be able to filter that easily, you can tap on the not on this iPhone option right there, and here you can see all the applications that you don't have anymore on your current device that you have used before. So I hope you found this video very helpful. I'll see you in the next one.